In 2021, Google File Manager ditched the old Roboto font for Google Sans font. And this buzz about Google Sans is since 2018. However, in my understanding, Google Sans font may replace Roboto, but it will not be available to be used as primary web font for web designers. It will remain a proprietary font for only Google use, like Segoe UI is for Microsoft. On the other hand, I am convinced that Roboto will continue to be supported by the Google to keep it as a system font, although not a default font. But I am worried that Roboto may not get a major update in future, as Google is moving slowly to its new love, Google Sans. I got this perception because in recent years, Open Sans font received more updates than Roboto. Google has used Google Sans text font on Google Design website with Roboto as secondary font. Google has also used Google Sans text font on the latest version of web pages of Material Design 3, whereas on web pages of Material Design 2, Roboto font was used. The settings page of Google Camera in Android 12 beta uses Google Sans font instead of previous Roboto font. Google Sans text font is also used in June 2022 for Material U for Gmail. Previously, Arial font was being used for Google search. However, on August 1, 2022, in my random check, I noticed that Google search is now using Google Sans font. I don't know when this change of font took place. It is noteworthy that Microsoft Bing is still using Roboto font. I conclude that if Roboto is your favorite font only because of being a default system font on Android, then you should reconsider your decision. However, if you love Roboto for other reasons, such as its design, then you should continue using it as a web font. You can learn more about font usage tips in next videos by Dozro.